Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So the correct output of this code is 1020 and 1020 and 30. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, this is the list, and here we are doing p equal a. So p equal a means p got the value of 10, 20, and 30. This is the list, and here we are doing a equal to a of blank colon 2. So this blank means the starting point, and starting point of every list is 0. So here I can write the index to make it clear 0, 1, 2. Now the new a will become 0 to 2, which means only this much. That means we got 10 here and here's 20. And this was the output.